For your information, so could you upon Chroma said the Edrono, a who here say Advertising Association, a woman Ghana mono, one to me ye and Sakraya Woodrow, and near my wood bet me a bois, or Mode Bepimako, and Nim Dachimo. International Advertising Association, a East Africa Rising Conference, a course so a one crying and a row, upon Chromadin Semi, etuja.
In recent years, the world has overcome challenges that initially scared us all to death. I don't know how many of you recall when we used to sing the song, by June dear, na ubieu. To wit, by June, we'll all probably be dead. That was at the beginning of the COVID pandemic. But today we stand tall and strong, having overcome that scare, and I'm confident that we'll meet this challenge too. Let me begin by attempting to define the concepts at the heart of your discussion: brands, future readiness, and building. The theorists define a brand as a product or service that is distinguishable from another and easy to communicate. But practitioners prefer to argue that a brand is only a promise of performance. A brand is as good as what it evokes or promises in the heart or minds of the consumer once mention is made of it. Future readiness connotes the preparedness today to respond to the challenges, opportunities, and characteristics of tomorrow. The concept of building refers to the process of iterating and working to erect or to complete. So if you put it all together, your theme calls on us to examine how we can continuously iterate on the structures, offerings, and models of our operations today to prepare them to respond to the characteristics, challenges, and opportunities of the future, and how we are building the kind of institutions, products, and services that evoke a credible promise in the hearts and minds of our clients. A brand is not the form, the creative identity, or its colors and letters, as you know. It's the substance of what it delivers. In a contemporary context, brands are increasingly expected to uphold ethical and social responsibilities. And that is why at every point of interaction,